Alright, so in this video we will talk about our Brick of the Day reposter, and BOTD is actually stands for Brick of the Day, and it basically is just that. Like these are like the best bricks, the best or like the most profitable sneakers of that specific day. And using our metrics and our brick score, which is like a scoring system from 1 to 10, the higher that number, or like the higher that score, the more profitable sneaker is. Like using those metrics, it allows us to really easily see if a sneaker or if a brick is actually a good one or a bad one to buy, right? So in Europe, in our European brick monitors, on good days they easily pick up over 150 shoes, 150 links, and we just wanted to have a way to quickly identify which sneakers are like the best to buy, and that's why we made the Brick of the Day reposter. So as you can see today on the March 9th, 2022, so far we got these bricks reposted, and what we can actually do is just it will look like this. You will see the store, you will see the style code, and also the brick score. So what we can do is you would just click on the sneaker title or here on this link, and it will take you directly to the brick. So as you can see, here we are. And then once you're here, you can actually click on the link, and then it will take you to the website to buy. So if you want to learn how to use this overview and in our monitors, you should click here on guide, and there it will explain it to you. But for now I would just stay to the Brick of the Day repost and show you how it works. So basically it reposes the most important information about the brick, and also a link to the message from the monitor. And then it will also tag your region, right? So you will get a notification on your phone. And we got this system for every single region we are providing or we are supporting. So this is, for example, UK, and this is, for example, for the US. And yeah, that's basically it. So we got our scoring system in place, and sometimes a shoe with a low sales per month or lowest sales per month can make a lot of profit with a very good resale market situation, and therefore it will get a high brick score. And the higher the brick score, the more the stronger the recommendation to buy this shoe, right? So yeah, it's very easy. All you need to do is have a good look on this channel, activate your notifications for a group, and then just click on the link and buy some shoes, right? So yeah, that's it for this video. If you got any questions, please make sure to contact member support, and otherwise we will see you in the next video.